Okay, we got like so much couples right now. We got a couple one, a couple over there, a couple there, a couple here, a couple there. Dry. Is that dry?
Wait, here. Hey, wait.
Oh, fish eye. Yeah, that looks cool.
You need to set a date for Yana Becker's dog's funeral
I'm gonna post
and
this.
the church service in Minecraft.
Okay. Say hello. I'm gonna say Twinkle's graduation party. Say hello. What's your name?
My name's Gab.
What's your name?
My name is Kaya.
Say hi to the camera. Right, fish eye.
Hello.
Saint Pauler? Future Saint Pauler? Okay. Say hi. Hi. Oh, it's the oh, what the? I just got that on camera. She did a fountain. Uy, ba't nag-yellow yung phone? Ultimate prank challenge. Let's circle everyone and put someone in the center, then let's all be together for the center to sound. Say hello.
Hi.
Pang skating. Ito, what's your name? I'm gonna put that. What do you want to be called? Subscribe, boy. Westfields, oh? Westfields, leak. Magpa-party daw siya niyan. Hey, yo!
Let's show Kyra! Come on!
Hold on.
Brent! Brent! What?
Bro.
Let's show Kyra. Help!
Tagal naman?
Let's all go in together.
No!
Give me let's go in together.
No! Ay! Oh, now she gonna do something with that. Okay, safe.
Buy ice cream, 5 pesos. Bless po. Nanginginig ka lang po. Where? UE?
United.
Where's that?
NP? NPA?
United Poland.
Grabe.
Di siya well known eh. Pero sa Ortigas. Ito sa malapit. Ano ba yung estancia? Yun.
This looks like a college party, bro.
Where's the drinks? Where's the C2?
Where's the... Hey! Where's the...
2 hours later.
Kawawa tayo na.
Mabilisan po, nakauna po kami.
Ay. Wala, kulang. Experience.
Ate, madumi na yung table.
Ray, ay. Ako pala.
Kung hindi kaya, wag na gawin.
Experience kasi.
May chaser. Chasing the ghost.
Mga classmates si
Ate, takbo no.
Akin na to.
Okay na.